So we're here today to celebrate 40 years of the Urban Journalism Workshop, which was started in 1986 by the late George E. Curry.
Just want to say congratulations, 40 years of the Urban Journalism Workshop.
It has been such a pleasure, an honor, a joy to be able to host the UJW 40th anniversary ceremony here.
My favorite part of the program is, I would say, our trip to the Commanders practice facility. We toured the content space and got to speak to two people who work within sports journalism and sports media at the Commanders. And I think it was just a great experience for me as someone who's passionate about sports journalism.
What I learned at the program this year is how to ask very specific questions. When you're asking questions while interviewing people, you tend to do broad questions, but the more specific ones are the really important ones.
My favorite part of this program was being able to be around so many people that have the same goals, aspirations as me, and also being able to meet so many well-renowned journalists was great for my experience.
It is amazing to be the coordinator of the UJW program because I get to really see the end result of how students benefit from the program. They get amazing experiences each session. They also get to contribute with their wonderful projects. And, if they want to return, they can do that as well. So there are really so many benefits to this program.
No one gets to where they are without some help from someone. So definitely now that I'm reaching my 10th year of being a working journalist, it's important for me to give back to the next generation to make sure that they have some of the same resources and the same access and can gain some of the lessons I've learned along my way.
I was so inspired by mentors who are spending their time to work with the students every Saturday.
I want to encourage all the students to remain curious, to stick to the fundamentals of storytelling, even as the tools to tell those stories change. The work of journalism remains incredibly important to our communities and to our democracy.
My advice to anyone who's thinking about joining UJW next year is just to try it. If you're passionate about journalism or any certain aspect, maybe music, pop culture, politics, and you enjoy writing, I think it's a great program to learn the basics, and you can always return as well to learn even more about journalism. And so I think it's a great program.
And so ASU and the Walter Cronkite School of Journalism, we're just honored to have been able to host the group here and hope that they come back and join us another year.
It's a big honor to be able to contribute here and help out with the program. And I'm looking forward to doing it all again next year.
Please keep up with our deadlines so that you know what's happening. And yeah, please read them over, read our instructions, and just keep up with what we're doing.
Happy 40th